If you want to sound super fast and impressive at the piano without spending your entire life practicing technique, then I've got the perfect little speed riff for you. It's really, really fun to play. It sounds good on its own, but you could also use it as like an ending or, I don't know, something in, you know, your songs or compositions. It sounds like this. Right? It's pretty cool. This is actually pulled from a composition by Carl Philipp Emanuel, such a mouthful, Bach, who is the son of, you know, the more famous of the Bachs, Johann Sebastian Bach. So there's a little bit of classical music history for you as well. So how to play this? What it is it's just kind of a broken up inversion triad practice based on an F minor chord. So what you're going to do is you want to get really comfortable with how this chord moves first. So what I'd recommend is that you get your right hand set up on an F minor chord or triad. So we've got F, A flat, and C. And what you want to do is you just want to practice playing through all the inversions of this triad. So F, A flat, C, A flat, C, F, C, F, A flat, and then F, A flat, and C. And then you want to go back down the way you went up. So we've got C, A flat, F, A flat, F, C, F, C, A flat, and C, A flat, F. So what that's going to do is it's going to set you up for success so that your fingers have a really good understanding of how this chord feels under your hand. Now the run begins on a first inversion F minor chord. So what that means is that we've got F on the top, C here, and A flat here. So sort of the second step in getting confident with this is to begin practicing these shapes on the first inversion and then descending. So we're going to go here, 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 and just carry on. I like to end there. We'll do it again. And you want to get really fast at that. And then once you're comfortable, that's when the real fun begins, because that's where we can put this run together. So what we're going to do is we're going to allow our left hand to play the bottom note of the triad shape that we're in first. So we're going to go, so if this is my bottom note, we're going to have my left hand play it. And then we're going to do a F, C, A flat. That's it. Now the next shape is a root position. So my left hand's going to play the bass note, the bottom. And the next shape is here. So my left hand plays this bottom note first. Again. We can just carry on like this as far as we would like. And I like how it sounds to end on that F with the left hand, because it kind of pulls everything together because F is the root note. So slowly. And this slowly step is very important, because if you don't build this foundation, you won't be able to play it very well fast. So once you get comfortable there and all of that feels like second nature, you can begin to build speed. Even faster. Maybe even faster. If you want to have some extra fun, try adding the pedal, and it kind of melds all the sounds together and it gives it a different feeling. So you're gonna have so much fun with this. It's extremely impressive. Have fun practicing. Comment below if you know the composition by C.P.E. Bach that this is pulled from. Comment below and tell us. You'll win a prize of nothing. All right, have fun with this, and we'll see you around.